In compiler design, the next topic in the unit 1 is the lexical analysis. You all know that what is mean by lexical analysis. This is the first phase of compilation. First, it will take input as a source program and it will generate the lexemes as in tokens. Okay, I'll give in brief introduction. So, lexical analysis is a process of converting a sequence of characters from source program into a sequence of tokens. Okay, so lexical analysis is a process of converting the characters from source program into a sequence of tokens. That is nothing but, see here, it will take an input from source program. What is source program? The programs which we are writing in a Turbo C++ or Notepad, where we are writing a program, is a source program. That is an input for the lexical analyzer. And what is the role of the lexical analyzer? This is the first phase of compilation process. It generates, means it reads the characters in a source program and generate and lexemes. So that lexemes we are calling it as tokens. Okay. So what a lexical analyzer will do, it will take the source program as an input and it will generate the tokens as an output. So in a program which performs the lexical analysis is called as lexical analyzer or lexier. We can call lexical analysis as lexical analyzer or lexer or tokenizer or scanning. So these four names comes under lexical analysis only. See here, see in the diagram once. So definition we are seeing in the diagrammatic format. First we are reading the input. Here input is nothing but the source program. From the source program, first we will read the characters. Each and every characters will be read. After reading the characters, it will give to the lexical analyzer, which is the first phase of the compilation. So what the lexical analyzer will do, it will read the characters from the source program and it will generate the tokens. That tokens we are giving it to the syntax analyzer, that is the second phase of compilation. So after reading one character, after that, syntax analyzer will ask for the lexical analyzer for the tokens. Then what the syntax analyzer will do, it will again ask for the input, that is for the source program it will ask the extra characters. In this way all the characters are read in the circular motion. So first it will take the input, read the characters and give to the lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer will give the. So in this way we are going to read the tokens from the input and it will give to the lexical analyzer and the lexical analyzer will give the tokens to the next phase of compilation. Okay. Next we'll see what is the role of the technical analyzer. We have already seen the definition of the lexical analysis. We will see the role of the lexical analyzer. So we all know that this is the first phase of compilation and this is also we are calling it as linear analyzer or tokenizer or scanning. These both three names are equal. Okay. Here see the diagram. In the source program, first we are taking the source program and that program we are giving it to the lexical analyzer. From the lexical analyzer we are generating a small units called lexemes. Small units we are generating, that we are calling it as lexemes. Again these lexemes are converted into tokens and these tokens will be given to the next phase of compilation, that is the syntax analysis. So in the next phase it will generate the output as parse tree. Okay. Then what the parse tree will do, it will ask for the next token for the lexical analyzer. So next lexical analyzer will take the next token from the source program. So once it will take one character, again it will take another character. So what is mean by the symbol table here means whatever the tokens we are moving from lexical analyzer to the parts tree, those characters are stored in the symbol table. In the symbol table, symbol table is an data structure. It can store all the values of the parsing tokens characters. Okay. Next we will see what are the functions of lexical analyzer. In the lexical analyzer, first it will read the input characters from the source program. The lexical analyzer in the first phase, it will read the characters from the source program and it will divide the program into valid tokens. Dividing the tokens, we are calling it as tokenization. Dividing the tokens from the source program, we are calling it as tokenization. In this we are going to remove the white spaces and also white space characters. Means if you are getting any space between any two characters, that white spaces will be removed in this lexical analysis, and also it will remove the comment lines, these symbols. While we are writing any program, we will use these command lines. So lexical analyzer, it is a role of the lexical analyzer to remove these commands, and it will help the identifier to token into the symbol table. Means to store the characters in the or to store the tokens in the symbol table, it will act as it will help. Lexical analyzer will help the identifying the tokens into the symbol table, and it also generates and lexical errors also. If we are facing any errors in the lexical analysis process, those lexical errors also handled by lexical analyzer. So we will see what type of lexical errors are there. In the lexical errors, there is a character sequence which is not possible to scan. Any valid token is a lexical analyzer. If you are getting any character sequence which is not able to scan, means while we are reading the characters in the source program, if you are not able to scan that particular characters, then it will be an lexical error or spelling errors. If you are missing in the characters, we are having spelling errors also, it will show the lexical errors. Those errors also handled by the lexical analysis. And exceeding the length of the identifiers, which length we are providing in the predefined process, those length only it should be specified. If we are exceeding the length of the identifier, then it shows the lexical error. Okay. So, last one is the illegal characters. If we are specifying or if we are declaring any illegal characters in our lexical analysis process in the characters, then it will show the lexical errors. Those lexical errors are handled by the lexical analyzer.